Alright guys, just got here. Got a Yum Dinger on here. The brown with black speckles and a chartreuse tail. On my bait caster, just rigged it up this morning with brand new line. It is Stren Clear Blue Viz or something. There's bluegills all over in here. I can see them darting around. I don't know if y'all can. But anyway, this line actually haven't even touched the water yet. And I'm going to get fishing here and keep in touch with you guys. Am I snagged? That didn't take long, did it? Anyway, I'll get back to you guys. Would you look at that, guys? Little squeaky bass. Itty bitty guy. You know, I'm going to try to buy an aquarium. If I did, if I had it already, I'd put him in it. Ittiest thing I've ever seen out of this pond. I guess, gotta start somewhere. Be big someday. There's a bite. Got it. Got him, boys. He ain't big. He's bigger than the last one, though. I'll give him that. He is bigger than the last one. So. Alright, sweet. Alright, I just got that. I'm at 2 fish. But I'm looking for a little more size now. Both of them are pretty small. I need a beaver build another dam. Downstream or something. Oh, there he is. Got him. He ain't big either, though. 3 dinks. Ow. I hooked myself. This floppy booger. There he goes again. Another one. Small again, though. Alright, let's get fishing. Where are the big ones at? That's 3 dinks in a row. One was a super dink. Other 2 about the same size. Size of that one right there. Alright. Where are the 5-pounders? I know they're in here. I've caught them before. A few and far between, but I know they're in here. Well, guys, I broke off over there, so I turned my camera off, came over here to rehook, and I made 1 cast before I turned my camera on, and here we go. Nice bass. Who's hooked pretty good. There we are. Nice guy, not huge, but he's alright. Alright, sweet. And a tip to keep from losing your Senkos is I got 2 loom rubber bands right there. I wrapped around it because the loom rubber bands are unlikely to rip the Senko just because they're so thick, but the hook will rip it since it's thin. So that's a tip, I guess, to keep your Senkos longer. Alright guys, current time is 7:46. So I don't got too much longer. You saw that text. I have to start leaving at 9. So I got an hour and 15 minutes. This battery's almost dead. I'm gonna go ahead and change it and get back to fishing for you guys. Let's see here. Alright, I'll get back to you. Another nice one. What are you using, a frog?
Yeah.
You got any bites?
Something huge hit it right here. It was either a turtle or like a huge bass. But it jumped off that thing. Right out of the mouth.
Another big bass. Another one. He's smaller, but he's not bad. He's not hooked real well. That's literally not the next cast, but the cast right after next down. Sweet, everybody. Another one. Back to back. Let him go. There we go. Nice bass right there. Nice bass here. Bass Spikes, Bows, and Bullets. Got him on a moss frog. Bass Spikes, Bows, and Bullets here. Nice bass. Probably about 2 pounds, I'd say. Got him on this worm, which was a lot longer, but I had to trim it down. You see where I ripped it there, because it was like a 14-inch worm. So I just got it wacky rigged. Got him. Golly, that's a fat one, ain't it? I'd think it's pregnant if it wasn't almost fall. Oh, look at that. He's got a bluegill or something in his mouth. Just the tail sticking out. I don't know how well y'all can see in there, but he's obviously got a big old bluegill in there, or a couple of them. How fat he is. Not real big though. He's definitely alright. Alright, sweet. I think he took my Senko. Yep, sure did. Well, that's, I don't know how many that is. That's 4 or 5. I don't know. Can't even get this bag open. Anyway, guys, I'll get back to you when I catch another fish, or gotta head home, or whatever's going on. Nice big bass here. Alright. Nice back throw your bag. Freaking flop. Man. Well, everybody, it's getting awful late out. And, I think it's like 8:45 or something, so I guess I'm gonna head home. I probably come back soon, so there'll be another video out. Since I did so good today, I'm sure I'll be back. So, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you at the next video.